This my. Okay, it's my. Oh.
5, 6, 7.
I got two. Mommy, two wants to go. He wants to go in the. That's it now.
So once we've transferred all of our mixture into the ice cube tray, we're ready to mix our basic paint. Okay, what colors do you want to make?
Let's do blue first.
Okay, so since we already made a sample here of the basic colors, yellow, red, blue, purple, indigo, green, and orange,
So now
we'll make more complex colors with our Crayola color guide. Okay, so do you want to make mint green?
let's make it.
Okay, so you need 1 is to 4. So 4 drops of yellow and 1 drop of blue.
Okay, we need 4 drops of yellow.
Yeah.
4 drops of yellow. Thank you, Leon.
1 drop of blue, 4
4
drops of yellow.
1,
2. Wait. Leon.
Mommy,
Be
move
patient.
my pen.
2, 3, 4. That's it.
That's it.
Where's the cup? There. You have to
Now,
cover
where's
it
the
one.
spoon? Where's the spoon?
Okay, stir it up,
Give me the
Leon.
spoon. No, I'll put it on my tail. Okay, there you go.
There.
It's making green.
That's a nice mint green.
Yeah, it's a nice mint green.
Okay, so now let's make, what do you want to make?
Let's make this
Pink? Okay. 1 is to 3 again. 1,
It's red. Okay, red.
yellow, and 3 reds.
1 yellow and 3
3
reds.
reds. Yeah.
Okay.
1 yellow.
And 3 reds.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
1 yellow. No. 1,
Put in my hand.
2, just 2. That's it. What's it, Leon?
So much. Where's the spoon? My other crazy.
Hey, that's crazy.
Too much more red. That's so much. Wow. It's pink. It's kind of more than red.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we can add this, I think, to here to make pink.
Yeah, let's add a little bit. That looks like red and green.
Oh, it doesn't look like pink. It looks like peach. Like peach. Yeah?
Probably I forgot. It's actually probably it's peach.
And this one, you can add a bit of this to here. It makes a nice light green. Like it?
A nice mint green and peach. But
You want to make it teal?
Oh no.
Okay, that's perfect.
This can be red and green.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot. And then now
Okay. What do
let's
you know?
make this one.
Orange?
No, this one.
Okay, we need
Whoa,
4 yellows and 1
4 yellows?
red. Yeah.
I need 4 yellows. Then 4 yellows.
No, not there. Here. 1,
I want the blue. 4 yellows.
Yeah.
I need the blue.
1,
I need
3,
I want the blue one.
4. That's it.
I have the blue one.
Okay, 1 blue.
1 blue.
What color do you want again?
Blue. No, this color.
Okay. So we need red. Not instead of blue. We need red instead of blue.
How many
Okay.
reds?
Just 1. 1 drop.
Red.
No, let me do it. Come on. Here. There.
1 drop.
That's it.
That's it. Let's mix.
Mix.
I make a lot too. Let's see if it's a nice color.
Okay.
It's a nice color. It's a nice color match.
Just 1 drop of blue here. Here.
I do right there.
Here. Okay, done.
Let's wipe it. No, wait.
So if everyone decides to make it with a 2-year-old, the color will actually turn out as a surprise. So I guess it's now time for goodbye. Till next time for another episode of Grateful Everyday. Goodbye.
Bye. This is blue.